Bye, have a great time.
Oh, there's a trailer for a new Transformers movie.
Oh my god, I don't even want to see these movies anymore.
But the trailer looks good, right?
But the movies as a whole, I mean, you gotta admit, they're not good.
But look, we'll see.
Lights out! Now you want to get nuts? Come on! Let's get nuts.
Oh. Fatality. Behold, Dromaeosaurus theropod Grundalicus, otherwise known as the John C. This is madness!
You don't have to say anything. You're right. I don't have to say anything. But I do have to sing. 2 to the 1, 1 to the 3.
There. Now we can all see.
Wait a minute. You guys aren't the real Avengers.
Ed, tell him if he's gonna save the world, he has to eat his vegetables.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Do what your mother says.
It's ancient.
Like your mom.
Skinny!
Cole, you got the plan? Sure do. First, we lower ourselves down the ledge, and then... Where's Kai?
You deserve it, baby. You deserve it all.